Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Another skin, which is called the Whoopee cushion. Yep, that's right. You all heard about it. So, you want to hear the sound first? It sounds like the tooth effect. My basic one is with the grenade or the med kit. So, you may be wondering how? Oh my god. That's so good. Actually, do you want to hear the sound? So, I'll increase it for you. Yeah, I did this here already. But did I do the up? Comment down below. Hold on, guys. I might have to give that a very good sound. Wow. Oh my. Did you just hear what I heard? Comment your answers. So let's just go and get some kills with it. But I'm lucky that we have free for all, so I'm gonna use free for all. Okay. So I'm gonna FaceTime you. I'm starting a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Even my altar in the giveaway. So join the giveaway before it's too late. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, so what was I? Okay. So we were testing I think it was the Whoopee cushion. So let's use my regular loadout and get killed. I can't hear, guys. Okay, let's get some damage with this again. Let's get some damage with this guy. Oh, yo, I actually got hit. He just got hit by my grenade. Yo! Oh my god, I killed him with my headshot. I'm too OP, guys. My aim assist is keeping up right now. Yo, why was he behind me, actually? Yo! Ooh! I got some free damage over there. So I'm going to be getting the golden Whoopee cushion. So be watching out for that. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Actually, this is too OP. The grade is too good. Usually, you have to use the grenade in every single loadout. Instead of medkit. Well, medkit is useful sometimes. Medkit is useful for certain times. Because, you know why? Why, Arham? Why do you use the knife? Actually, the grenade. Because the grenade is more useful than the knife. Actually, the grenade is way better than the Molotov and the medkit. Oh! Yo, I got a trick shot! Yeah! He just got hit by my... Bro, I'm not planning on getting killed with this. Yoo! Okay, so that's the end of the video, and I hope you like the skin. Actually, I'm gonna get the one more kill. I'm gonna get one more. Actually, that's the end of the video. Bye!